Guys, so today we are going to create a look which is all about waves. So waves which are bang on trends nowadays. So on this beautiful model we are going to create beautiful waves. So to prep the hair we can see like there is a lot of wave in the front. So सबसे पहले हम इस wave को with the help of flat brush and dryer, so we will straight the complete hair with the flat brush and dryer. So we will make it straight. So before applying any hot tools, we are going to apply a heat protection spray on her hair so that we will protect her hair from the heat, and it will give a light control, light hold as well. So this is the product's thermal image from IME Vela Professionals. So I'm gonna spray this section by sections before applying any. We have taken diagonal back sections, so we will use the tongue in vertical pattern, and from this way we will turn the hair towards inward, and from this side again we will turn the hair inward this way. Okay? So first we will apply the thermal image for heat protection. Take a little vertical section, then we will twist the hair and wrap, then again twist the hair and wrap, again twist the hair, then wrap, again twist the hair, then wrap, and we will keep the end a bit straight like this. We will not turn around the ends to the tongue. So this is how we will heat up the hair for approximately 15 seconds. And then we will open it, and you can see beautiful soft waves in the hair. Then we will again take the next section and spray the heat protection thermal image on the hair. Again roll it inwards, twist the hair and leaving the ends straight. So this side will go inward to that side will come inward to this side. So again I'll keep it for 15 to 20 seconds. Make sure the tongue is on, it's not switched off. We have secured the section with the section clips so that the style can stay longer, the curl can stay longer. So we have used silver clips for it. So this is how we are opening it, and it's falling like waves. So this is how we have opened the clips now. So to fix this style, we will apply the product Stay Style from Vela Professionals. So this is how we will fix each and every strand by separating it. So like this. See how beautiful it's coming, like beachy waves, but with a lot of shine. Fixing these waves is very important because these are very soft, otherwise these will get looser. So avoid that. It's important to fixing it. So this is how a beautiful model is ready with her look. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.